everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Crop Queen and today I have an announcement, especially for Vectoria Designs. Tina and Joachim asked me that I will help them to announce a big news. They are going to change something in their license policy. So I'm going to read you what they sent me. So I have this for you. I changed a little, but okay, so what's the news? Okay, so I'm going to read for you. Okay, so we listened, you were right. Dear crafters, this is a joyful moment as we have some wonderful news to announce. Many of you have been talking about this for months and we are very happy to have finally come to a conclusion. And we are very happy to announce that we have decided to include our crafting license in all our printables. This means that all you junk journalers out there can now sell your journals if they include our graphics without the need for an extra license, exactly as you asked. To make things clear, here are the terms of the crafting license. With the Vectoria Designs crafting license, you can use any of our designs as much as you like in physical products that you yourself create and sell. The restrictions are that you don't sell more than $1,000 or the equivalent in any other currency per year in total, that you do not sell to business, but only to end customers, and that you create all the products yourself. In case those terms do not apply to you, for example, if your revenue is higher than $1,000 or you sell wholesale, our small business license will be just right for you. We are also very happy to announce that we will fully refund everyone who has purchased our crafting license so far. We truly hope that this shows our commitment to serving this beautiful crafters community in the best possible way, and that we can continue to do so for many years to come. Much love, Tina and Joachim, Vectoria Designs. Alright, so that is awesome news, you guys. For me, that's perfect. I do have sell journal, junk journals or albums, but I am a design team member, so I had that permission. But I can really feel that some people, they buy the printables. If they make something, and sometimes they make it for only use, sometimes they make it for family or gifts, but sometimes there are people, they ask people, can you make something for me, or can you do this for me or do that for me, and then I really can feel the people, well, of course I wanted to do that for you, but I ask a little to spend the time doing it for you. So I really feel that. If you are using the printables from Vectoria Designs, you will be amazed how nice the prints are, and I feel really that if you want to sell it, you don't have to buy a special crafting license. Well, that was before, but now they changed it, so yay! I really love that. So that is really cool news. So yeah, so everybody, go join the Vectoria Designs website and search for nice things and let's get loose. Well, not exactly that, but yeah, it's now possible, so you don't have to worry. And if you want to make a few albums and perhaps you are on a little craft fair and you want to sell these, it's possible, but not over the top, not going over the top, not going over $1,000 profit, and I really can accept all their terms. Vectoria Designs is really generous doing this for our crafting people, and so I'm really happy, and I was happy to make this news for them too on my YouTube channel. It's my honor. It's my honor because it's great news. So I love great news. It makes me happy. It makes the crafting world happier. So let's be happy together. Alright, so this was the news. And so check out the website Vectoria Designs and be amazed on their digitals, printables. Last thing, don't forget, if you want to buy anything from the website, please use my 10% discount code ScrapQueen and you get 10% of all the products from Vectoria Design. So don't forget that, it will save you a bit. Alright, thanks for watching everybody. Have a nice weekend. Bye bye. Love you.